Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and whenever watching this. Welcome to new vlog. It looks nice and beautiful here, but I think we have changed our mind in terms of worthiness of the hotel. Any ratings, Mr. Raja?
6.
6. Food was disappointing, no, for La Meridian.
Everything ran. So look at this. A Marriott range. Look at the way.
La Meridian, yes, not great.
इतना गंदा है.
Nitpicking.
There's a lot of bad stuff.
Like that.
Yeah, look at that.
Washroom is well maintained, no, but here even this water's leaking. From the WC.
Commode. It looks so like
Very
2-star. Right?
2-star, yeah.
This was not working yesterday.
This was not working, so they changed
And
that.
service also. We called for replacing this yesterday. He said okay, I'll get it, and he left. We asked for coffee powder and all that. He didn't even care. Food is also bad.
Major disappointment was food. Their local cuisine items were good, but they're like what 3 out of 25 items. Rest were all pretty average. Yeah, I was not sure pre-COVID how they were, but when we went to Mahabaleshwar, it was the best experience we had. Before that, we had Goa at Taj, and we were expecting the same level when we thought of coming to Jaipur.
We love Marriott for sure.
Huh.
We love Marriott. We love La Meridian. But
La Meridian.
only this
This
property
one.
in Jaipur.
Yes.
It's disappointing.
Our expectations were also quite high with what we had at Mahabaleshwar. And Jaipur is a tourist city, right? Tourist hub. So we thought it will be much better than what we have been expected. Okay. I think too much of crowd is also probably another issue. Anyway, I think 6 out of 10 is a accurate rating. Chalo, we are ready. We're heading out to explore Jaipur. The room's almost ready. We're just taking a cab and going, not taking the bikes. Easier just to travel in the city. Better to. These bikes attract probably more attention than the forts and all if we go there. First stop, Panna Kunaka Kund. This is that well with different steps. Here. Panna Meenaka Kund. Sorry, I got the name wrong. But a lot of movies have been shot here. Looks really good. उस time में बनाया यार, like really well. The most fascinating thing about this location is just the symmetry. Everything is perfectly aligned, perfectly spaced out. Crazy yaar. So this is a smaller version of the bigger one. This is right in the middle of Jaipur. So we don't need to travel much further. Next would be Amber Fort and Palace. All set and packed. Hey guys, good morning. Yesterday we spent a lot of time at Amber Fort. So after that we tried to visit some places like Hawa Mahal, City Palace of Jaipur, but everything was shut down by 5 p.m. So unfortunately we couldn't cover all those places. So we just had some food outside and came back home. So didn't do much yesterday besides the only fort that you saw earlier in the video. In that regard, we didn't cover Jaipur fully, but there's always the next time with family members we can come and explore more to see. Today we're heading to Bikaner, so we'll be staying in a desert camp. That is the first experience for all of us, and we'll be staying there for 2 nights. We initially thought of going directly to Amritsar, but then decided we want to try something here, and maybe we'll cut down some places later on, because we thought desert camp would be something unique that we didn't try before. So all the bikes are almost ready. It's what, 10:35, so we'll probably leave in like 10-15 minutes. Of 39 kilometers, just 1 bar on the fuel. We need to check for fuel before we travel any further. This is a straight route towards Delhi, but we're going ahead and taking a slight left towards Bikaner. Delhi would be just probably 4-5 hours from here too. If we were heading to Ludhiana or Amritsar, we would have gone straight towards Delhi and taken a curve. Google Maps showing 330 kilometers and a travel time of 4 hours 50 minutes. That's fast. So the road should be either like this or completely empty wide roads. That is the fastest time we have seen so far in Google Maps, and usually Rajasthan roads are very good. That being said, there is a 144 section in Jodhpur because of COVID, so we are just checking news to see if we will have any restrictions. Let's see. I'm going slightly slow because I want fuel. I don't want to run out of fuel. That would be unnecessarily delaying things. First fuel break. 385 kilometers is the range, but I think realistic range is 320-300. Garam garam Rajasthan, garam garam धूप में जाएंगे हम. Good, yeah. Rochi almost lost his tank bag, but someone got it back to him. It was probably loose, magnetic tank bag kada ring close ayi undadu. Side pannier paina bag petti nadpukunta vachava. Nice of him to return it back in one shape. Good, yeah. Luckily you realized it immediately. This is a toll road and 14 kilometers on this route and then maybe another deviation. I think the route will be pretty much like this till Bikaner, but I think it will be fast because there will be less traffic and the roads are really good here in Rajasthan. We experienced that before in Jaisalmer in our previous Rajasthan trip. Link to the vlogs here. Just stopped here for lunch. Nice place. And our food's here. Ordered some roti, misi roti. इसका नाम क्या है? Kheer sangri. And that's pani butter masala. Salad. We also ordered lassi and buttermilk. It didn't taste that good. Along with food.
కోపం వచ్చేసి ఉంటుంది ఆ రోజు అల్లు ఉంటాడు అందుకే ఫోన్ చేస్తున్నాడు అది
Food?
పన్నీర్ బటర్ మసాలా is 9 on 10. కడాయి పన్నీర్ is 7 on 10.
This curry, this local noodles is 2 on 10.
Agree. We're like another 50 minutes or 60 kilometers to go. Just out for a quick chai, and now that we are in Rajasthan and close to Bikaner, it was entirely sand. While getting out of the chai shop, there is some sand. I was just checking for traffic left and right, and I didn't see Shriman ahead of me. I thought he would just merge on the highway, but he stopped. Suddenly when I took left and right, he was still there, and then when I did the front brake, the bike dipped into the sand a bit, so it leaned to the right. And when heavy bikes like these lean, you just leave them, don't even hold them. I did that. The bike nicely comfortably slept in the sand. Initially there were 1-2 people trying to lift the bike with the top cases and all, and it was funny. They were unable to lift it, and luckily we know how to lift these big bikes, right? In the meantime, while this was all happening, someone sat on Suju's bike. We don't like people sitting on our bikes because they might drop it and injure themselves or the bike or harm the bike. It was funny. Nothing happened to me, all good. Just dropped the bike in the sand, that's it. The tea was a much needed break because we were getting straight like an arrow highways, and the average speed in Google itself is 75 kilometers per hour. So it was crazy how the road was, and it was empty. Like there is hardly anything you can see. You'll probably know a bit ahead. Once we are close to Bikaner, everything is deserted. There is some vegetation here and there, but mostly sad. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. 600 meters. Kishore, helpara. Karla. Come on. First gear la 35 undra. దిగిపోయింది. నాది పార్క్ అయిపోయిందిరా శాండ్లో. ఓహో, somehow we pulled Roach's bike out. నాది మూమెంట్లో బాగానే ఉంది మామ. ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ దట్ వెన్ యూ స్టాప్ ఇట్ సింక్స్ ఇన్. సుజు రోచి డౌన్ హిల్లే కదా. జారిన పర్లేరా మొమెంటం. అరే సుజు, అయిపోయాక వీలైతే లెట్స్ గో అండ్ హెల్ప్ కిషోర్. యా, just unloaded the luggage. If you're wondering why I'm smiling just for unloading the luggage, I shouted in the middle of the desert here because I won an Xbox One X through the Taco Bell contest. Me and Manugna, just before our anniversary date night, we went to a mall. I had Taco Bell. I just tried to download the app, register and sign up. Just got a call. I hope it's not a hoax call because that can happen. I was told that I won the Xbox One X. Crazy, dude. Still can't believe this is I've tried multiple contests but I never won, and always that is my concern. Imagine it's a hoax, but no one knows that I downloaded an app and registered for the contest except for the guy who was serving the burrito. So if that guy who was serving burrito made this hoax call, Bakra of the century for shouting in the desert.
పర్లేదురా.
But if it is real, worth it, రే.
అరే అమ్మేసుకోరా.
60 to 50,000 అది.
అమ్మేసుకో, పిఎస్ కోరే ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ. అందరం పిఎస్ లో.
PS nahi.
1,00,000 మంది.
Xbox is not yet released, no, right?
ఏది?
They said they'll announce the winners on Taco Bell page tomorrow. So we'll know tomorrow if it is real or a hoax. Crazy, man.
అది నీ బ్లాగ్ అయిపోతే నేను ఇంకొకటి చెప్తా నీకు.
Super fun. Chalo, we'll fresh up and catch you guys later in the night. Lot more activities here in the desert camp. Finishing the edit right now, almost 1 o'clock. I think he's done with your edit.
Exporting.
Oh, purana laptop time lagta hai. He'll buy the new M1 next month. Once we go back to Hyderabad, Apple Cart already 3-4 hoga Apple Cart mein.
Card leka. Abhi waiting.
Hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Had extreme fun with that last 500 meter stretch in the sand. We had different kind of bikes. All of them seem ADVs, but not all are true ADVs. Each one of us had different experience. So watch out for all the 3 vlogs. You'll definitely find some interesting stuff. And we spent a lot of time out in the cold, just sitting and chilling. This is the first time in the trip that we all 5 sat out and had some decent time. Rest of the time we were meeting in for food and while on the go. That's it. The food here felt home food and it tasted yum, really yum. The best food we had since we started from Hyderabad. Chalo, that's it for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Chalo, we are actually very sleepy, but all the efforts for you. So don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and share button. Bye bye. Good night.